Hello guys, welcome back to Technova 5.0. So today we are going to discuss how to clean your AirPods Pro and its case. So AirPods Pro have a new form factor with an in-ear design, so comes new parts to be kept clean. Starting off with what you will need two microfiber cloths, cotton swabs, two solutions, one of fresh water and one fresh water plus rubbing alcohol or sanitizer. So now getting started with how to clean your first the earbuds. So for cleaning them, first detach the ear tips and now dip them into the sanitized water and let them be there for a while. Now coming on how to clean your earbuds. So for that just take the damp microfiber cloth and wipe the excess dirt out of them, and do use a microfiber base or a soft base to keep them clean. Now, using a cotton swab, dipping it into the fresh water and rubbing off it on the AirPods. And again drying it with the dry damp microfiber, and now doing repeating it with the now after cleaning them, see, they will start shining. Now let them dry themselves. Take those earbuds out of the water, dry it with your microfiber cloth, and just again keep it for drying the excess water or the water in the speaker grill. Do unfold them and then keep it so that all the water dries off, and do completely wipe off the speaker grill as there can be water stuck on the holes. So do it properly. Also, you can use your earbud, cover it with the microfiber cloth on the top, hold it firmly, and then use it so that it's clean. And do keep care of these ear tips because original Apple ear tips are not yet available in India, and third party are not so good and comfortable to wear. Doing the same with the other piece. Do use a good fresh or wash your microfiber cloths and dry it before cleaning these, because it needs to be lint free, otherwise if anything or any dirt sticks here, then it will be of no use. Let them dry. Now coming up to the case. So for cleaning the case, many people have black or yellow palish marks on these corners, but I do keep care of them and clean them regularly so they are not there. But for cleaning them, first of all wipe it with the dry microfiber cloth. Use a cotton swab, dip it in fresh water, and clean the corners for removing all dirts. Also, there is a minor gap here, so inside this dirt can get stuck. So for cleaning that too, you need to be precise and pressurize the points so that all the dirt wipes off. And don't let your wet cotton swab go inside the charging point. So like this, you can see a little bit of dirt here. So I will just pressurize and clean it. Now, after doing this, dry it with the microfiber cloth completely. Now coming up to the exterior. So exterior without the case looks so good and subtle, but yes, keeping a case always is good from protecting it from scratches and even hard drops. And now for cleaning this case, again goes the cotton swab in the fresh water. Caution, don't use any sanitized water or any other material or solution for cleaning the body of AirPods or AirPods charging case. Now cleaning it, keeping it away from the button so that it doesn't goes inside, and cleaning it well from all sides. Do clean this latch because there can be dirt stuck here, and do clean this area of charging point. So you can use a charging cover, as these are wireless chargers supporter, so these can be charged wirelessly. So do cover these if you are not using any wire to charge them. There are plastic caps available for the lightning and USB-C port. Just put them in. Now drying it, with the cotton swab, and this comes to an end. So first of all, do check that these are dry or still wet. So these are, I guess, dried off and there is no water. Just blow some air or heat dryer it on cold air, not using the proper heat from the dryer. I will just blow some air. These are clean. So fix them up. Fold them. Use the microfiber dry cloth. Wipe all the dirt. Put it back in. And also one tip, you can see these points and empty spaces in your ear tips. So do fix it properly for a secure fit, and don't let any dirt go from this piece into your main speaker. And these Apple tips have a mesh, but if you take third party tips, but there are no mesh in it. So do keep care of your Apple tips. Keep it back in. Now a bonus tip if you carry cases. So this is my new Pigeon clear case, and it's really good, and it is guaranteed it will not get pale. Do clean them properly so that if there is any dirt stick on this, it will stick on your charging case, and when it is there for a long time, it can get permanent. So do clean them, place it, repeat again, and these are protective inside outside and can take hard falls, and these are shock absorbent. So thanks to Spigen for making these cases, sending them over. That's it for this video. A new video is coming up with a new difference between AirPods Pro versus normal AirPods. So stay tuned, do like and subscribe the video, and if you like it, do share it. Thank you, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.